The hotel industry has always been centered around providing a convenient and consistent service to its guests. Hotels pride themselves in their ability to cater to their patrons whenever they are needed. Yet, reserving a room, checking in, and checking out can still require guests to wait on the hotel staff.
We saw an opportunity to match the hotel industry with the automated experience of movie theaters and airports that allow customers to buy tickets or print their boarding pass using a self-service kiosk. We created Doorman, a software package aimed at improving the hotel check-in experience in a way that is seamless, efficient, and benefits the guest and the hotel. The Doorman system allows potential hotel guests to book a room, check in, and check out instantly on location without the need of interaction with hotel staff or an out-of-date booking website. This allows the guests to have direct control of their accommodations, giving them a feeling of autonomy.
The use of multiple guest-operated kiosks will result in quicker service that is available 24/7 and the decrease of workload for hotel staff. We created the Doorman system to allow the hotel industry to provide a service of complete convenience and consistency that is effective and efficient like never before.
Within the Doorman system, we wanted to create a program that is easily accessible by all hotel guests. To do this, we created a user interface that is touchscreen friendly and easily readable. The color scheme was chosen to complement the atmosphere of common hotel lobbies. We included clearly labeled buttons in order to guide the user through the necessary steps, avoiding any confusion and eliminating the need for assistance from hotel employees.
The first interaction between the guest and the Doorman system is designed to be simple and convenient. The kiosk presents the guests with their choice of room preferences such as number of beds, view, and other options such as smoking or non-smoking. The Doorman system then cross-checks these choices to a list of rooms and their check-in and check-out dates. The guest selects a room and enters payment information and is presented with the option to either check in immediately or exit and check in later. The Doorman system creates a unique ID number for the guest that will remain in the system until checkout. This ID includes information such as the guest's name, room number, check-in and check-out dates, time of stay, and total room costs. This ID is used for all future interactions between the guest and the Doorman system. Should the guest choose to change details about their stay, the Doorman system provides a simple and easy process to accommodate the guest. This process is facilitated by the guest's ID and allows for easy and convenient interaction between the hotel and guest. Checking out is made easy for the hotel guests with the Doorman system. Once signed in with their ID, the guest can initiate the checkout process. The system will calculate the guest's bill and proceed to the payment system. Once the payment has been processed, checkout is complete and the room and ID will be changed to reflect their availability.
At the core of Doorman are two main databases that are saved as text files. These databases are used to store the ID and room information, and they are imported, updated, and saved while Doorman is operating. The rooms database is stored as the room list file and stores data about all of the rooms and their attributes. This list is imported into a two-dimensional array so that it can be indexed and iterated through to make reading and updating specific room information quick and efficient. After, the array is written back to the room list text file to store any changes to the database. The IDs are stored in a similar fashion in the ID list text file. However, the ID database contains more information than the room list. The ID associates the guest to their specific room as well as their check-in and check-out dates. The ID contains information for calculating the current length of stay of the guest and the current cost. Any operation that is performed by the Doorman system requires data from either the room list or ID list database. The functionality of the Doorman system is facilitated by classes with public methods. These classes are invoked by the objects of the graphical interface to perform all of the reading, parsing, iterating, manipulating, and updating of the core databases. The union of the database functions and the graphical interface creates a clean and efficient environment that is presented to the user in the Doorman system.